Imagine the feeling. You're packing your bags with shaking hands, checking your passport again and again. Your heart beats fast with hope. You're leaving home not forever, but for something better. You hug your family tightly, holding back tears. They smile, but deep down, everyone is scared and excited at the same time. You're heading toward a dream, to a place where life might be fairer, a land called Canada. Now imagine this, you land in Canada, one of the most peaceful and diverse countries in the world, but this time, there's no visa hassle, no piles of documents, no months of waiting, no heartbreaking visa rejections. For many people in Africa, this has always felt like an impossible dream, but now in 2025, that dream may finally come true. Canada is considering something huge, removing visa requirements for travelers from select African countries. It's a shocking and historic shift that could change the lives of thousands. Imagine being able to travel to Canada freely, for school, for work, or just to visit family. This isn't just a change in policy, it's a change in destiny. Why now? Why Africa? The truth is, Canada sees the value in Africa, its people, its talent, its potential. From skilled professionals to brilliant students, Africa has so much to offer. And Canada, always known for being welcoming, wants to build stronger ties. The goal? To boost tourism, invite skilled workers, and bring people closer together. It's about friendship between continents, but it's also about trust. Canada is choosing countries that have shown stability, strong relations, and low chances of illegal immigration, but here's where the emotions hit hard. For years, many Africans have struggled just to get a chance. They've waited in visa lines, faced rejections, spent all their savings, only to be told no. Students have missed their university start dates, families have stayed separated, skilled workers have lost job offers due to slow processing. So many dreams have been crushed by paperwork. It's been painful and unfair. But now, there's a light of hope. Canada is thinking differently. Officials are in talks to change everything, and that could mean freedom for so many. Freedom to study, to work, to visit, to dream. Just imagine, no more fear of visa denial, no more waiting, just a smooth journey to opportunity. For a student in Ghana, a nurse in Kenya, a business owner in Nigeria, this could be life-changing. So which countries might be on this list? That depends on things like economy, politics, and past migration trends. Countries with strong ties to Canada, stable governments, and good cooperation are likely to be first in line. But the excitement is everywhere. People across the continent are waiting, wondering, could it be my country? It's not just about travel, it's about being seen, being welcomed, feeling like your dreams matter. Canada isn't just opening its borders, it may be opening its heart. Canada has always been a place of hope. From the big city lights of Toronto to the calm forests of British Columbia, it offers something for everyone. A safe home, a good job, a bright future, and for Africans who have always brought hard work, intelligence, and rich culture, this could finally be the recognition they deserve. This move could mean thousands of lives improved, families reunited, students achieving their goals, workers building a better life. And it could also bring Canada and Africa closer than ever before. The change isn't official yet, but talks are serious. And if it happens, it will be one of the biggest and most emotional immigration stories of 2025. So, are you ready? Whether you're a student with big dreams, a worker looking for a better future, or just someone curious about the world, this is your moment. Stay hopeful, stay prepared. Because Canada may soon be opening its doors like never before. And when it does, the question will be, are you ready to walk through? Number 9. South Africa. South Africa has a large community of people living in Canada and strong business ties with the country. While it's still hard for South Africans to get a visa, there are talks about making it easier. Sadly, crime, high unemployment, and an uncertain economy are pushing many South Africans to leave. They are looking for safety and better chances in Canada, hoping for a brighter future away from their struggle. Number 8, Morocco. Imagine being a young Moroccan full of dreams. Packing your small suitcase, heart pounding with hope. You hug your family goodbye, whispering promises of success, but behind your smile is fear of rejection, of paperwork, of visa delays that crush your future. This has been the harsh reality for many Moroccans who want to visit or move to Canada. But something big is about to change, something that could turn that sadness into joy. Morocco and Canada have shared a respectful friendship for many years. They've traded goods, shared culture, and supported each other's progress. Moroccan students and workers have done well in Canada. At the same time, Canadian companies have found exciting chances to grow in Morocco. This bond is built on trust, peace, and shared goals. Now, here comes the shocking and hopeful news. Canada may soon remove visa requirements for Moroccan citizens. Yes, that means no more piles of paperwork, long waits, or endless rejections. Just a smooth entry into a new land of dreams. This move could change so many lives forever. Why Morocco? Because it's seen as safe, stable, and reliable. The country has strong leadership, a steady economy, and very low illegal immigration. These are all things Canada looks for before offering visa-free travel. The relationship between the two countries is strong, and Canada has already started making the visa process easier for Moroccans. Many believe a full visa waiver is just around the corner. If this happens, Moroccans could travel to Canada without visas, just like they already do with over 60 other countries across Africa, Asia, and South America. That alone is amazing. But imagine what it means. More families reunited, more students studying in world-class schools, more businesses connecting, and more tourists exploring the beauty of Canada. This would also be a huge emotional win for Morocco's youth. Right now, over 22% of young people are unemployed. Many of them are highly educated but stuck, hopeless, unable to use their talents at home. Their dreams feel like they're slipping away. Canada could be their light, offering work, education, and a fresh start. The booming tech industry in Canada is hungry for skilled workers, especially people who speak French and Arabic. Just like many Moroccans, Canada isn't just offering jobs, it's offering respect, freedom, and safety. It's offering a chance to build a new life where hard work pays off. For someone who feels invisible in their own country, that's a powerful and emotional dream. Many Moroccans already see Canada not just as a place to visit, but as a land of new beginnings. So if Canada does decide to say yes to visa-free travel for Morocco, it won't just be a policy shift. It will be a lifeline, a symbol of hope to thousands. It means mothers won't cry while waiting years to visit their children. It means young people won't lose faith in their future. And it means both countries will grow closer, connected not just by politics, but by people. This isn't just paperwork. It's personal, it's emotional, and it's possibly the start of something beautiful. Would you like me to write similar versions for other countries Canada may include in this policy? Number 7, Mauritius. Mauritius is a small island with a big success story. It has a strong democracy and a powerful money system. Life there is peaceful and people work hard. Canada and Mauritius already work together in business, especially in banks and foreign investments. This friendship could grow even stronger, opening more doors for people on both sides to connect and grow. Mauritian passport holders can already travel to the UK and parts of Europe without a visa. And now, Canada might be next. This could make business trips smoother and help more Mauritian students choose Canadian schools. But behind the beauty and success, many Mauritians still leave home. Why? Because life is getting expensive and good jobs are hard to find. Canada's tech and healthcare jobs are a hope and a fresh start. Number 6, Seychelles. Seychelles is like a shining star in Africa. It's rich, peaceful, and full of breathtaking beauty. With calm beaches, clear waters, and a strong government, it feels like a paradise on earth. People there live well, better than in many countries around the world. Their homes, roads, and cities are modern. Their economy is strong, thanks mostly to tourism. Every year, thousands of tourists visit to enjoy its magical beaches and fancy hotels. These visitors help create jobs and keep the country growing. Seychelles citizens already travel freely to places like the UK and Europe without needing a visa. This shows how much trust other countries have in them. Now there's growing hope that Canada might also open its doors. That would mean no more visa stress, no more long waits, just a chance to explore Canada, to dream, and maybe build a better future. But behind the beauty, there's sadness. Climate change is slowly threatening their islands. Job options are few. Some people feel trapped. They love their home, but they want more choices, more safety, more chances. And many see Canada as that hope, a land where they can grow, live peacefully, and feel free again. Would you like a similar rewrite for another country? Number 5, Botswana. Botswana is one of the few bright lights in southern Africa. It has a strong democracy and very low corruption, which is rare and inspiring. Canada has been putting money into Botswana's rich mining industry, and if Canada offers a visa waiver, both countries could benefit even more. The people of Botswana are smart, educated, and speak English well, perfect for Canadian jobs. But behind the success, there's a sad truth. Many young people can't find work, so they look outside, hoping Canada will give them a better future. Number 4, Senegal. Senegal is a stable country with a lot of French speakers, making it an important partner for Canada. If Senegalese people didn't need a visa, it could help students study in Quebec, where many are already studying. Sadly, high unemployment in Senegal forces many young people to look for work in Canada, especially in jobs like construction and healthcare, hoping for a better future. Number 3, Ghana. Ghana and Canada share a close friendship, with many Ghanaians already living in cities like Toronto. Canada has even started giving faster visas to Ghanaians, which shows hope for no visa travel in the future. Ghana has smart, skilled people and a fast-growing tech world, something Canada needs. But sadly, many Ghanaians still leave their home because of money problems and frequent power cuts, hoping for a better life in Canada. Number 2, Kenya. Kenya is becoming a tech powerhouse, and Canada has been hiring Kenyan IT experts. There have been talks about making it easier for Kenyans to visit, especially because their passport is getting stronger. But despite Kenya's progress, many people still face unemployment and political struggles. This pushes skilled workers to look for a better life abroad, hoping to find peace and opportunities in places like Canada. Number 1, Tunisia. Tunisia is making great progress with its reforms and skilled workers, which makes it a potential partner for Canada. Canada has been offering more scholarships to Tunisian students, showing a hint of closer relations. Sadly, many Tunisians face high inflation and unemployment, which pushes them to look for work elsewhere. Tunisia's stability and policies that align with the EU make it a low-risk partner for Canada. If there was a visa exemption, tourism and business could grow. In Cape Verde, things aren't much easier. Limited resources and a tough job market are pushing many people to leave. From unemployment to political struggles, many Africans are hoping for a better life abroad. Canada's immigration policies are perfect for skilled workers, making it a top choice for those looking to build a better future. If you are from one of these countries, now's the time to start planning. Improve your skills, learn French if you can, and learn about Canada's immigration programs. Don't wait for 2025 to start working on your Canadian dream. Watch our next video for tips on moving to Canada even without a job offer. Make sure to like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Let's get closer to making those dreams come true.